For a long time in my own life, I looked to society or my own cultural expectations, the experiences of my family to determine my identity. I didn't know how to seek God for who I was created to be. I just had these expectations. I just really began to be disappointed because the expectations that I had weren't who I was becoming. I thought life was going to look a certain way. And as I went through my 20s and my 30s and then got into my 40s, I really had to look and think life wasn't what I expected it to be. I have never been married and I don't have children. And especially in my early 20s and leading into my 30s when I thought I would get married and have kids. And that's just the life story. I mean, so many people in my family, they married their high school sweethearts, and that's what I expected. And that wasn't what I found. So who am I if I'm not a mother? Who am I if I'm not someone's wife? Is it enough that I am just me trying to get through the day? So as I struggled with my identity, and I will say struggle is actually a pretty mild word. I mean, I was devastated at times, especially in my mid to late 20s when I really started to think, wait, this is starting to take too long. So I was devastated. And I know becoming a wife and mother is not everyone's expectation everywhere. People have other thoughts of how their lives would unfold. But because of where I'm from and the expectations that I had, the fact that those roles did not become a part of my life left me feeling like I had totally missed my purpose. So thankfully, though, I did have a real relationship with Jesus that began when I was a little girl. And as I grew angry and hurt and felt that those blessings weren't coming to be part of my life, that relationship with Jesus, it held. It was my anchor. I struggled with him and I was frustrated, but he never left me. And that anchor held through the times that I was the most hurt over those lack of expectations coming to reality for me.